I love, love, love hummus. Anyone who knows me and anyone who's eaten my hummus who maybe didn't like hummus before also loves, loves, loves hummus. So I'm going to show you how. So first of all, here are the organic garbanzo beans. They've been soaking since yesterday. We're going to strain them here in a minute and bring them to a boil. I'm doing it the easy way today. Instead of making my own tahini, it's just, well, organic tahini I get. It's literally just sesame seeds blended up. And for about this much, I think it's going to take the juice of 2 lemons and probably 3 small cloves of garlic, because I really love garlic. Okay, so first you're going to drain the chickpeas, or garbanzo beans, however you know them as. And then we are going to put them on the fire and just get them up. Let's see. Oh, they're already pretty soft. But we're going to bring them to a boil real quick. Boom. And always save your, like, whatever you're soaking your nuts or beans and such in, because they absorb all those minerals and they're really, really good for your plants or gardens and such. So I'm not going to dump this down the drain. Alright, well, thanks to the magic of video, garbanzo beans are boiled. It actually doesn't take that long when you let them soak for 24 hours, so it's not like a hard boil or anything, just barely by the time you get it to a boil they are done. And I strained them out, but you want to reserve some of the water, which is in here, that you boiled them in, because you'll be putting that into the Yummus Hummus. We have our organic tahini, fresh squeezed lemon juice, de-seeded, a bunch of garlic, and I like to use sesame oil, walnut oil, and olive oil. I don't know, like to be different, so. Alright, and then for spices, this is just a basic hummus. I love sea salt, cumin, cayenne, and turmeric. Here we go. Just gonna throw all this in here. And, ooh, this will be fun. You know what, I should use a scoop. So we're just going to throw it all in here. This is approximately a cup-ish of the water. I'm not using all of that yet, because I'm just going to kind of taste it as we go. Same with the lemon juice. That was the juice of 2 lemons. You know what, we're going to use it all. And the herbies, and who knows, I might need more of them too. Alright, we're just going to dump some tahini in, probably about a cup-ish, I'm guessing, for a batch this size. Yum! Alright, so we'll put in a little bit of the oils. That's literally it. See how easy? No reason we aren't, or no reason we shouldn't do that. Alright, so we're just gonna scoop it all around. Make sure it all gets mixed up thoroughly. Oh my god, I can't wait. You know, give it a little taste test. See if you need some more spices or salt, lemon, oil, whatever. Now's the time. Oh my god. Don't forget to lick the lid. You don't want to waste any of this, I'm telling you. Soak beans, boil them, open garlic, squeeze lemon, throw it in a blender, swirl around, and that's it. So, enjoy!